Guys, today we're making the most amazing cream cheese icing. It's the best icing you'll ever have and it's super delicious. It's so easy to make and it's so yummy. Okay, so we're going to start off by sifting the icing sugar in a bowl. And once it's all sifted, you can set that to the side. And then to a separate bowl, you're going to add in your softened butter. Now make sure your butter is very soft for this. And then you're going to beat this until it's nice and light and creamy. It will lighten in color. Once you've reached that stage, you can stop mixing. And then you're going to add in your cream cheese. Now make sure both these ingredients are at room temperature. Once your cream cheese is in your bowl, you can whip this up with your electric mixer and mix this until it is nice and smooth and creamy. Once it's smooth, you can stop mixing. And then you can add in your vanilla and then mix this in. Once it's fully mixed in, you can scrape down the sides of your bowl and then just mix it again. Once it's fully mixed in, then you can add in your icing sugar, a few spoonfuls at a time, and mix it until it's well combined, and then you can add in more icing sugar. Now be sure not to add all of the icing sugar at once, but gradually add it in and keep mixing. If you need additional icing sugar, you can add it in to make your icing a bit thicker. And if you need a thinner icing, then you can add in just a tablespoon or two of milk. And once you've gotten your desired consistency, you can set that to the side and get your piping bag and a tall glass and your piping tip, and you're going to add your piping tip into your piping bag and then just snip the tip. Then you can put your piping bag into your cup and then add in your cream cheese icing into it. And just fill it up until it's full. And you can use this however you wish. Here I'm just piping it on some red velvet cupcakes. It goes so well and is super delicious. Pipe it however you wish. And it's just amazing. This recipe is probably the best cream cheese icing recipe ever, and it's super delicious. It's just amazing and it's so easy to make. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.